How to take screenshots on Mac. It's very easy. I'll show you multiple ways. So let's get started with the most basic one. How to take a full screen screenshot. For that, you want to press Command plus Shift plus 3. And once I press that, you can see a screenshot over here has appeared. If I click on it, this is the entire screen, right? If I just let it go, it's automatically going to be saved on desktop. If I want, I can rename it by just pressing enter. Let's say full screen and hit enter, and as you can see, it has now been saved. But what if you want to save the entire screenshot and not actually want to save it, just copy it somewhere? You can do that as well. You just have to press an extra button, which is going to be Control. So now you want to press Control plus Command plus Shift plus 3. So you heard that screenshot noise, but the screenshot hasn't really been saved. So what can I do now? If I want to paste it somewhere, I can do that. So let's go to the Notes app for now. So now that I'm in the Notes app, I can just right click. So you just want to take 2 fingers and tap on the touchpad, and here you can see there's an option for paste. I can click that. Alternatively, I can also press Command plus V. So as you can see, the same screenshot, but I can just press Command plus V, which is the keyboard shortcut for paste. Now guys, let's say you just want to capture partial part of the screen and you want to save it. What can you do then? Well, it's very easy again. You just want to press Command plus Shift plus 4, and as you can see, our cursor has now become a pointer, right? It has its own coordinates. So let's say I want to capture these widgets. You just want to drag it with your touchpad or your mouse, and once you let it go, it's going to actually save. So you can see I have only captured a part of the screen and not the entire screen. So let's say you want to take a partial screenshot and then want to send it to someone, or again just take a screen grab and save it to your Notes app. What can you do in that case? So you just want to do the same thing we did before, which is add an extra button, which is going to be Control. So now you want to press Control, Command, Shift and 4. Now in that order you have to press it. So let's say I take a screenshot of the clock. Again, you heard it, but it hasn't really been saved. So I'm going to go somewhere and copy it again for you guys. Now I'm going to press Command plus V, or you can just right click and click on paste, and here you can see the screenshot has appeared. So I can just take a partial screenshot and copy it anywhere I need it to, and that is going to be much more convenient than having to take a screenshot and then cropping it and then saving it separately and then being able to send it. This makes your life a lot more easier. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments.